Okay, hi everyone. I hope you had a good week. So today what we're gonna do is I open up both because I'm teaching P5 also, right? So I'll open up both. Oh, Clarice is here. I admit her. Wait, give me 1 minute. Hello, Clarice. So I mark Clarice's name. But Clarice is just dropping by, right? Okay, Ken. So what we're gonna do today is this. Let me see. This is P4. Yeah, this is P5. Sorry about that. Let me just open up P4. Yeah, P4. Okay, everybody. Maybe I just check your faces, your attendance. Hi. Hello. Okay, Sanvi, you need to switch on your computer. Hello, Clarice. Sanvi, you need to switch on the computer. Catherine, you switch on the other one, is it? Where is Catherine? Okay, Ken. And then Sanvi, hello. Hi. Yeah, okay, the cat. All right, and Sanvi. Okay, guys, good afternoon, everybody. So anyway, I hope that what I'm going to do is going to spotlight now, okay? Hi, everyone. So I hope that you had a good week ahead, right? And you're preparing for your test. But I think usually exam and test is on week 8, right? Week 7 or week 8 or week 9 now for some schools. Okay, let's go. Let's move now. What we're going to do today is this, everybody. Let me take my pen. I hope you've done it, right? I hope you've done your work. But if you've not done your work because like you're busy or, you have other matters to attend to, right? You cannot attempt them. So, okay, never mind. Then you do with me. Okay, Ken? Hold on. I take my computer first. Okay, Ken. So what are we going to do today? We are going to do grammar MCQs. Wait, all right, so we're going to do a grammar MCQ. We've got, I think some schools, right, they may have, I'm not well, okay? So I will be sorry if I'm sneezing and coughing, yeah, I try my best to control, right? And then I will mute myself if I start coughing, yeah? Turned out very well today. Okay, I go on, and if my voice is a bit funny and then you can't really hear some parts, you just chat with me, or you can just teacher say louder, can. So okay, I will say louder. All right. Okay, I'm going to go on now. Question 1 to 5 is grammar MCQ. So if your examination is on paper 2, so you know you're going to have some MCQs, you're going to know you're going to have vocabulary, you also know you're going to have synthesis and transformation, you also know we will get comprehension. Okay, so today we're not doing comprehension. This is not my notes. These worksheets and notes are all made by ATA Tuition. I'm a teacher just going through with you the answers and explaining to you. Are you okay? These are not my materials. All right. Yeah, so these are all from ATA Tuition. Okay, Can? So ATA Tuition, today we're not doing any comprehension. So ATA Tuition, they have a certain scheme of work where they only do comprehension on certain weeks. They do compo on certain weeks, that kind of thing. Okay, but usually grammar and vocab, if you notice, right, we always do it weekly. Okay, Can? Because that one is important. Okay, we go on to vocabulary and then synthesis and transformation. Okay, so let's move on. I'm just going to read this to you like I do every week. This is not coming from me. Again, this is from ATA Tuition. Okay, it is compulsory to turn on your video, mute your microphone. Please use the chat function if you would like to do any of the following: ask a question, answer a question, share feedback. Okay, if there is anything urgent, please raise your hand and wait for teacher's permission to unmute yourself before speaking. If you need to be excused, go toilet for toilet break, right? Do inform me and return ASAP. Okay, be mindful to be respectful to all students and teachers in class. Okay, let's move on. But so far you have been very good students and very respectful, so that's fine. We go on. All right, so we're going to go on to grammar MCQ today. All right, first one. Some of my friends are crazy. You know who is BTS, right? Can you chat with me if you know who is BTS? What's BTS? Anybody knows? Anybody want to chat with me? Who is BTS? Hold on. Somebody chatting with me. Let me show you BTS, okay? K-pop. Oh, you all know. Oh, okay. Not bad, are you? Okay, let's check out BTS. Just wondering, do you anyone of you like K-pop band? Is or BTS too old for you? Because I think they have quite young, right? They are a K-pop boy group, correct. So how do they look like? They look like that. Yeah, very, very popular, right? So they are very popular. They have very colorful hair also, right? So this is an example of the K-pop. But there are so many K-pop groups, right? Anybody knows any other names besides BTS? I know there are so many, yeah? And then they dance very fast. Blackpink, yeah. Oh, Twice. So wow, you're so clever. I also don't know these people. So if I were to dance like that, I think I'll break my bone and go to hospital. They dance so fast. Oh my God. Oh, New Leans, New Jeans. Wow, it's not bad, huh? You all know so many people. Wow. Yeah, I don't think I can even move 30 seconds like them. If I do, I think I will end up breaking my bones. Okay. So aespa, you see, wow, a lot of people know. What's so clever. Okay. Great that you know about the K-pop group. Very exciting, right? Okay, let's move. Uh Rock band. Okay. I've not heard, I only hear because my students were talking about BTS, then oh, IVE, is it? So they were talking about this group, this BTS, and I said, what's BTS? That time I didn't know. Then they told me, teacher, check the video. So I checked one video. Wow, they move so fast. Oh my gosh. I like, what? Looking at them, I look so tired already. Okay, let's go on. Some of my friends are crazy. What this BTS rock band? You want to chat with me? What's your answer? If you even if you haven't tried, you can try now. You can write down on a piece. Okay, so five people already answered. Oh, C, 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 C. Okay, all right, let's check it out. Yes, yes, correct. Your answer is C. Good. So you got that correct. Then you stick for you. Okay, fantastic. Good job. Next one. Number 2, Daisy had a very bad experience. What a cat when she was only 8. Had a very bad experience. What a cat. D, is it? Bad experience with a cat. Anything else? I see many people writing D as your answer. Let's check it out. Yes, you are right. The answer is D. So very bad experience with, right? Because experience with something, always experience with something, what, right? Yeah, experience with. Just remember, that's the preposition we need to use. Next one. The little girl is hopping happily. What the wooden wharf? What's a wharf on the water? What's a wharf? Let's check it out. Maybe you don't know the meaning. We find out now, okay? So that at least, right, when it comes out in your exam, you know what's a wharf. Okay, what's a wharf, right? It's a quayside area. What's it? Wharf, right? So what is that? That is an image. Yeah, so this is like a jetty, it's like a jetty. It's a quayside here, like a jetty. You know what's a jetty, right? So this is where your boats would park in this area. Okay, Ken? So yeah, that's a wharf. All right. So you see all the boats go and park over there. Okay, let's move. Where am I? I'm here. All right. So what do you think? Happily along, happily across, through, over. What do you think? Oh, 3 answers already. A. Okay, you think, why do you think it's along? Can you explain to yourself? Why is it along? So many of you say A. Why? Is it because it's like a road? It's like a road, is it? Because you walk along a road, right? So your answer will be yes, you're right, along, correct. As you can see just now, it's like a road, right? It's a long path, right? It's a long path. So wooden wharf is like a jetty. I just write down here, okay? It's like a jetty. And this jetty, right, is like a long path. And because it's a path, therefore you have to write down along, okay? Along a long path, along a path, also okay, yeah? Good job, people. So far, so good. I think most of you can get 3 marks here. Let's check out the next one. Let's take the escalator down. Basement. What do you think? Okay, I see some people chatting already. Very good. B, 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 B. Okay, a lot of you say B. To the basement. To the basement. Yeah. Because it's location, right? No, no. Yes, you are right. The answer is B because it's location, right? All right, good. Next, we go on to the last one, number 5. Am I going too fast? Am I going too fast now? Okay, I'll just slow down a bit. 5:40. Yeah, still got time. If let's say the notes, the worksheets may not, I think some of you may want to have a bit more of practice. I will show you some of my notes, then we can try it out. Is that okay? Can? All right, let's go. A Chinese doctor once what some research to show how ancient remedies are changing modern medicines. A Chinese doctor once carried on, carried out, carried off, carried over. B, carried out some research. Carry on, you know the meaning, right? Okay, so carry on, continue. It means continue here. Oh, yes, you are right. Carried out is correct. So, yep, continue is correct. Carried off. When you carry off something, not that you go and steal things. You know, some people think carry off is stealing. No, let me just find the exact meaning for you. Okay, carry off. When you carry off something, it means that you are wait, I carry something, carry off. Wait, yeah, take someone away. Wait, win a prize, something like that. Carry off. There's quite a number of meanings. According to the according to the dictionary, right? You can talk about winning something, all right? Yeah, gain, for example. Okay, can carry it over means you bring it over to another month, for example. Okay. Next number. You're done. So those people who just came in and I was going through with you. So these are your answers. Number 1 is C, number 2 is D, number 5, 3. Sorry, number 3 A, number 4 B, number 5 B. Can I just ask if you are okay? Am I going too fast? If I'm going too fast, I will slow down the next section. If okay, just say okay. All right. The next section is vocab. I need to go a bit slower. Okay. All right. Are we done? If you're done, just say okay. Okay. Okay, can. So some people say okay, can. So we go down now. Okay, the next one is vocabulary MCQs, right? My aunt turned off the television and shouted at my cousin, "It's what time you started revising your lessons?" Is free time? That's strange, right? If you say free time, it's peak time, it's right time. What do you think? B, 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 B. Wow. Okay. D, some people say D is right time. Quite a number of you say B, yeah? All right, let's check it out. It's high time. Is it your answer? All right. What is the meaning of high time? I'll show you the answer later, okay? Yeah, it's high time. What's the meaning of high time? All right, wait. When it's high time, meaning that it's about time already, people. Latest time or the time that is almost too late. It's about time already. It's the best. It's high time, right? To write down this meaning now. Okay, the latest possible time. Okay, latest possible time that you start revising your lesson. If you are any later than this, right, you won't be able to revise properly. Is it all right? So that's the meaning there. Latest possible time. Okay, high time. All right, I go on to the next one. Peak is the peak period, you know. Peak is never with time. Peak period. Peak period means a lot of time with so many, the traffic, too much traffic already. We're not even talking about traffic jam. We're not talking about traffic jam. All right. We are talking about people. All right. And we're talking about vehicles also. All right. So if you say, oh, a peak period, so meaning you will find many people, especially at the MRT station, right? Right is a good time, right? So this high time means is the latest time possible time. If any later than this, cannot be, you won't be able to get a good mark if you study, right? Too late already, too late. If it's okay, high time, next one. Oops, you saw the answer already. Sorry. Let's fix a date for our next meeting. It seems familiar, right? Have you done this before? Because this worksheet 27, I have done it. I've done this. I didn't do this. So have you done this before? Let's fix a date for our next meeting. Yeah. Does it sound familiar to you? This is worksheet 27, right? So today we are doing 27. What? Yeah. No, doesn't sound familiar to you. Okay, Ken. Maybe I was doing it with other groups. Okay, I go on to the next one. My eldest brother has shifted to the which one? At the university because we live quite far away. So hostel, right? Motel. Motel is a cheap hotel, you know. A, okay. So this is a hotel that is it's very affordable. Not the high class hotel. A motel maybe, hotels, they have 5 star. right? Even some hotels so high class, so expensive. One night, 1,000, 2,000. Some hotels one night, few thousand.